We're here with a very exciting vintage unboxing.
Things got so complicated, not like it was before. At the edge
We all had a great Monday. In this box is a bag that I used to own in medical school. I've always missed it. It was a Coach bag. It had to be probably 1994, 1995. So she arrived today. The seller on Poshmark said that I could share her name. Her story is that she bought this bag, so she was the original and only owner, and wait till you see what it is. So there's the box. Hi, Tanya. I love you so much. Oh my goodness. Beautiful wrapping. This is the neatest Poshmark seller. Oh, and it says Carcona. That's my Poshmark name, Carcona. And it says, thank you. How did I come with Carcona as the Poshmark name? Look how pretty the bow is. I don't know how I came with Carcona. I think well, Kona is obviously Kona. And, oh, I know, because my husband's nickname for me is Karenia. Karenia means sweetheart. I'm just so happy that I have to own this. I didn't even know it came with a dust bag. This is so cool. Okay, here we go. So this is the bag. I have not touched a bag like this since 1990. I don't even know why I sold it. Probably for money because I got involved in selling on eBay and all that. Okay, she even put ribbon. Thank you, Queen Maureen. It's just like what I remember. Oh my gosh, seriously, I feel like I'm back in medical school. This is the, oh, I can't even remember what this is named. Waverly Tote. This is the Waverly Tote. It's smaller than this is in really good shape. Queen Maureen, I will take good care of her. This is the Waverly Tote. It has no smells whatsoever. This is a Coach classic. And she referred to a lot of details that I didn't know because the serial numbers on the inside talk about the bag. Obviously, look at the Coach workmanship. This bag was probably manufactured in early 1990s because I graduated from med school in 1995 and I think I was able to afford this. I think I remember it was like 124 or something like that. I remember it was super expensive. It was $124 or 131 or something like that, or 127. I don't know why that sticks in my head. And that had been like 1994, 1995. And I absolutely loved satchels even then. The handles I remember were like this, and literally she has loved this bag. The bag is in a lot better shape than what it looked like in those pictures, Queen Maureen. I will take such good care of her. Oh, you gave me a little card. Let's read it. Thank you. She put another thank you. Dear Carcona, thank you for your purchase. It warms my heart that this is the same bag you had 26 years ago. So this bag is 26 years old. I'm so happy you found each other. This was also my first luxury bag, and I'm so happy it's going to a good home. Enjoy, happy poshing. Queen Maureen 99. That's her Poshmark name. Thank you, Queen Maureen. Let's go ahead and get into this. This like bag, oh my gosh, this brings back so many memories. Isn't this just a beautiful bag? What I liked about it was whenever you look inside, you can literally find everything. I remember that about this bag, is that no matter what I put in there, I look inside and I can see it. Let me go ahead and model it. She even put like a big felt fabric around it. The price for this bag was $25. I'm so glad I found her. This was more for the exact bag that I was looking for rather than the price. There are a couple things I was looking for. I remember the bag was this black color with the gold hardware, and I remember that it was made in the USA because Coach stamps their bags with a serial code as well. And in the next video, I'll kind of research what all this serial number means. She linked me, oh, there's a serial number. And you can kind of tell this is the original Coach embossing where they'd say this product was made in the USA. I ran across hers and I'm like, oh my gosh, that could have been my bag. Like, I seriously, Mom and Dad will remember me using this, but I think I used this in 1993 to 1995. I cannot believe what great condition. Even the corners, sure they show wear, but what bag doesn't show wear after 26 years? You see that wear? Those are the corner wear. So we'll talk about this bag. Again, it's the Waverly Tote, and I'll show you what fits in it in my next video. I rushed home because we needed to let Kona out, and I knew that this had arrived, so I wanted to film the unboxing right away with you guys because I was so excited. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks for subscribing, and always hit that bell so you know when I've uploaded my next video.
No, I